Dad. Want more? Good stuff? Come on, you big ham. Oh, Dad, you totally missed a photo opportunity.
I'm recording it right now.
Smiling and everything.
Yell at me.
You're waiting to take a picture.
Yeah, that's why I've been walking around with the camera and going, dude, are you power chowing? I'm a hungry boy, Mom.
Better not have a tummy ache this time.
It says, well, you feed me 10 spoonfuls.
Are you good? Are you good, mister?
Yeah, you know that book was saying, oh, they might only eat 2 spoonfuls, not our kids. Not our little pork chop, huh?
No more?
Really?
Peanut head.
Good job, Mr. Man. Good job.
Kristen, you want some more?
He's like, uh-huh. Yeah, that's going to give you a nice little tummy ache.
Should we stop?
I don't know. How much is he eating?
I don't know. We've all poured some food into him.
Well, I mean, it was only 2 ounces of water, but it was like a tablespoon and a half of that.
Are you good? I think we're good. You're still looking for more?
Yeah.
Are you still looking for more?
Oh man, that's going to be a long movie. I better stop.